In this lesson, I'm going to share the 5 key elements of effective, super awesome prompts. The kind that will make you go, wow, that's awesome. So let's get to it. To level set on what we're talking about here, let's start by defining the term prompt. A prompt is a command you provide to a Gen AI model such as ChatGPT. It can be written, vocal, and sometimes even gestural. Think of how you wake up Alexa or Siri. Give me 5 recipe ideas for a healthy dinner as a prompt. Write an AI course for marketers is also a prompt. Where do you think this course you're now on came from, huh? Just kidding. While these prompts are well-intentioned, they most likely will not yield the results wanted. Here's the harsh truth. Not all prompts are created equal. This is not your fault. It has to do with how the machines interpret inputs. Context is everything. Here are 3 reasons why you might fail to get what you want out of a prompt. First, obscurity. This happens when the context necessary to answer is too niche to appear in training data. For example, if I were to ask a Gen AI model to give me a list of places where I can buy my mom her favorite flowers, it might not provide me with the right answer because it doesn't have the right answer or even the right context to answer that question. Hold up, I don't even have the right answer to that question. What is my mom's favorite flower? I really should know that one. Now, if the Gen AI doesn't know the answer, it might be nice and just let you know that. It can not answer the question or the task you asked it. But it could also do a naughty and hallucinate. Machines are hallucinating now, Michael? Hold on, let me explain. Hallucinations happen when AI makes up an answer instead of saying it doesn't know. Why can't it just admit it's false? The third and most important reason you might not get what you want out of a prompt is direction. This is when the prompt doesn't provide good guidance. This one, dear marketer, is all 100% on you. If you want to avoid inconsistent results, you have to give your Gen AI model better direction. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Prompt engineering is the practice of designing and refining inputs for generative AI tools that will produce optimal outputs. Let's say you're a marketer working on a brand that sells jump ropes online, for example. You want to come up with some copy for your H1 on your website's homepage. You'd likely start off with something like this. ChatGPT, write an H1 for a website selling jump ropes. And you'll likely get a response similar to, jump into fitness, premium jump ropes for every workout. But what if your jump ropes aren't premium? What if they're affordable or bright colored or for dogs, if there is such a thing? Let's learn how you can improve or even refine this prompt to get what you want from the AI model. So, step 1, know exactly what you want and then describe it as much detail as possible. In the case of us marketers, it's useful to describe both the product, who it's for, and the value proposition around it. Step 2, tell the AI model who it should be impersonating. This can be a vague statement such as, you're a marketer, or even something super more cool like, you're Steve Jobs. Step 3, specify the response format you want. AI models are able to provide you with information in a variety of formats, such as comma-delimited files, bullet-listed points, grid tables, flowcharts, and even code that you can implement on your website directly. Just remember, be really specific on how you want the information to be delivered to you. Step 4, share details about the tone. This is something you might find in your own brand guidelines and brand book. Step 5, provide examples. This is an important one, an often missed component of a prompt, but it really helps zero in on what you're looking for when done right. Okay, so taking these 5 steps, I rewrote my prompt to be, you're a marketing manager working for an e-commerce company selling jump ropes for amateur boxers. The jump ropes are durable, lightweight, and also contain technology that allows you to track your jumps. Write a homepage headline for this company. It should be a maximum of 40 characters in length and allow website visitors to quickly understand what you sell. The tone should be empowering. You can use Nike's copy as an example. When I added this prompt to ChatGPT, I got the following output. Box like a pro, smart, durable ropes. Much, much better, right? But this doesn't have to be the end of it. I suggest you refine your prompts multiple times, making necessary tweaks and adjustments until you develop the desired output. It's amazing how much more you can get out of Gen AI models when you prompt them correctly. AI is moving at warp speed. This is, of course, includes prompt engineering. But while the mechanics of how we prompt might shift and change, one thing will remain the same. You get what you ask by how you ask for it. Taking the time to polish your ideas, to develop a strong value proposition and understanding of your customer is the best way to get Gen AI tools to work well. Now, let's welcome some experts who will help us dig deeper into the world of prompting.